Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to a quick love check-in for the end of June. Taurus, you know these are general collective readings, right? Won't resonate with each and every Taurian out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Also, I'm posting them for the end of June, but time is fluid. This is something you could have been going through, are going through, or will go through in the immediate future. So take it as it comes, okay? So three cards, 3 for you, 3 for your partner, and 3 for the expected outcome. Bottom of the deck, we have 5 of Wands in reverse. Okay, letting go of some conflict. That's good. And thank you all of you for subscribing. It's keeping me motivated. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you. So for you, now Taurus, I am going to be reading, the first line is person 1 or person A, and the second is person 2 or whatever. So you have to fit in whichever place you think you resonate the most. The top energy, they're in troubled waters. They've done something foolish, it seems. They've done something silly and foolish, and right now they are feeling pretty sheepish. Oh my God, I have the Fool. I have the Fool clarified by the Fool. What has this person done? They could make a decision about something which led to a Tower moment. Is that what happened? Now they're in deep troubled waters, it seems. But they do come across as the King of Pentacles here. So Spirit, why does this foolish person come across as the King of Pentacles? Oh, because they've realized they love you. Okay, Taurus, this person was unable to make a decision, which probably led to a Tower moment, and they are feeling rather foolish right now. They want to come back into their King of Pentacles mode. They seem to be a nice person though. King of Pentacles upright is quite a good person. And they've realized, I think, that you are their Queen of Cups, and they want to fight for you now. They also have the Chariot, which means they want to move ahead towards you very quickly. Yeah, they are holding on to all the sweet memories that you guys shared, and they're missing you like crazy. And they are planning to take swift action back towards you. Yes, they want to offer you this. They want a stable, happily ever after with you. They want to let go of this this fight that they had maybe with you. This was, see the overall energy of the reading. So they are wanting to let go of this conflict, and they definitely want to come out of this cold. They're feeling abandoned by you, or they've abandoned you or something, and they're coming in swiftly. Okay, so let's see person B. Person B is the Queen of Wands. No wonder this person's missing you, Taurus. The Queen of Wands is like the ultimate fabulous lady out there. All eyes are on her all the time. And yes, she's sailing away. She has decided to take control of her life. And she's saying, hey, if you don't want me, I'm not going to stay in these troubled waters. I'm sailing away to calmer times. And maybe, you already have somebody in the pipeline. There's a King of Cups here. Let's see. Is this the same person? Is that how you think of him? Or is this a new person who's coming your way? So Spirit, Queen of Wands. You are really the Queen of Wands, Taurus. You have done your crying, and you're letting all that, stress and tension go from your life. If, somebody can't make a decision about you, to edge with them. Yes, because you were willing, okay? You were willing to go the long haul. You wanted that happily ever after. You wanted a serious commitment, and maybe this person made you cry. You're manifesting something new for yourself, it seems. You're manifesting this 10 of Pentacles for yourself, which is like the happily ever after. You're done crying for anyone who's not giving you any time. So 6 of Swords, Spirit. 6 of Swords for Taurus. So it's rather clear you're moving away from troubled waters into something, to your victory. You are going towards your victory. You're really not waiting around. Yes, you've let all this pain and stress go, Taurus. If this is you in the second line, then you've already let go of this heartbreak, this sleepless nights. You're manifesting something brand new for yourself. And now the question is, who is this queen, the King of Cups? Who's this King of Cups? Okay. The one you turned your back on, and the one you turned away from. You said, if there's no more growth with this person, I think this person is coming back with a big cup of love for you. Let me just clarify it again. Yes, here they have the same card, the Chariot, which is on top as well. So they're coming charging towards you with a big cup of love, Knight of Cups, King of Cups. So Spirit, who is this King of Cups? Is this a new person, or is this the person that, Yes, they are totally attached to you, okay? They are totally dependent, attached, in love with you in a very good way, okay? And they've realized their love for you, and they've realized that for this Queen of Cups, I have to go in as the King of Cups, right? And they are totally addicted to you. They are sexually attracted to you. They've been fantasizing about you, dreaming about you. That is good. So I have a feeling it's the same person who's coming back after you've kind of said, okay, if you're not it, I'm going for something else. And they've realized their mistake. Here comes the Knight of Wands charging. This is the outcome. Page of Wands wants a new beginning. But the Queen of Swords is going to give them a little tough time, it seems. Okay, so Knight of Wands, they are feeling defeated. Okay, they're feeling totally down and out, and they are coming in to say, I have given it a lot of thought, and I have been reflecting on all my mistakes, and I now realize that you are my Queen of Pentacles. Now the Queen of Pentacles is a queen who is the wifey. She is the perfect woman you want to spend the rest of your life with. Okay, and they are coming in passionately to tell you that. Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Yes, they want a brand new beginning with you. They don't want this relationship to end from any angle. They're coming in to save it at the, Yes, yeah, they don't want any stagnancy. They've been in stagnant mode for quite some time, and they've realized they don't want this to end with you at all. They're coming in with that message soon, okay? Queen of Swords, why are you now acting uptight? Queen of Swords, Spirit. Yeah, Queen of Swords is going to have very, very clear communication about what this King of Swords did wrong, okay? How King of Swords hurt them, maybe with their words or action. So now King of Swords is going to be in deep trouble because now the Queen has picked up the sword, okay? So yes, there's going to be a way forward with clear communication. So Spirit, yes, you are letting down this conflict, that's for sure. Okay, what did I want is, what is there any one card you can give us as advice for Taurus, please? Any advice for Taurus? Okay. Okay, this was sideways, so we'll put this back. Any advice for Taurus, Spirit? Any advice, Spirit, for Taurus? Yes, I'm so amazed. All these love readings, all the feminines are coming in as the empresses. Okay, so now that you are in this, you have the seat of power, Taurus, if this is you, if you're the feminine watching, then you are now no longer just a queen, okay? Now you've become the empress. You have learned self-value, self-worth, self-love, and you're in a very powerful position. So whoever did all this sneaking away or whatever from who did this against you, okay? Somebody snuck away, hurt you, whatever. Make sure that some justice is brought to this person. Don't be willing to just say, okay, it's over, and you're saying sorry and I love you and I'll come back. Just make sure they kind of admit to their faults, and not only just in words but also in their actions. Okay? Make sure you get some justice from this. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Have a wonderful rest of the month, and I'll see you soon for your July readings. And if you're not a subscriber yet, just hit that button right now and join us. It'll be good fun to have you on my channel. Love and light.